So you may be wondering, what's under the tarp? Well, I've got a surprise for you guys. I just yesterday managed to get my hands on a lovely little project that you guys are going to follow along with me in its repair and restoration. So let's go ahead and see what is under the tarp. So what we have here is a 2008 Scoot Coupe. It's a lovely little three-wheeled vehicle that I think is going to be a lot of fun to ride and to fix. So feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to be able to keep up to date on the progress of this guy. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be cool. And you guys are going to love it. I know I am.